Hawkins Surname Meaning and History presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it's an English habitational surname from Hawking in County Kent, England. The place name derives from the Old English personal name Heafoc, coming from the Old English word meaning hawk. It could also be a characteristic surname describing a person who possessed that bird's ferocious instincts. Early bearers included Osbert de Hawking in Kent in 1163 AD, Andrew Hawkin in Kent in 1321, Walter Hawkin in Kent in 1326, and Margery Hawkins in County Worcestershire in 1327. Knighthoods include Sir John Hawkins, an English naval commander who fought at the victory over the Spanish Armada in 1588, for which he was knighted. Sir John Summerfield Hawkins, he was commander of Royal Engineers in several different locations and was knighted in 1881. Other knighthoods include Thomas Hawkin of Kent in 1608, Stephen Hawkins in 1644, Thomas Hawkins of Kent in 1618, Richard Hawkins in 1687, John Hawkins, the mayor of Bristol in 1702, and William Hawkins, the Ulster King of Arms in 1783. Noble titles held: the Hawkins baronetcy of Kelston in the county of Somerset was created in the baronetage of Great Britain in 1778 for Sir Caesar Hawkins, surgeon to Kings George II and III. The Hawkins baronetcy of Trewithen in the county of Cornwall was created in the baronetage of Great Britain in 1791 for Sir Christopher Hawkins, a member of Parliament for several different locations. And Henry Hawkins, the English judge who was raised to the peerage as Baron Brampton in 1899. Estates and homes: Trewithen House in County Cornwall, England. Landed gentry: there was Hawkins of St. Fentons in County Dublin, Ireland. Notables include Harold Franklin Hawkins, an American country music singer who was popular in the 1950s and 60s. William Hawkins, the 17th governor of North Carolina. Hamilton Smith Hawkins, a United States Army Major General during the Spanish-American War. John Parker Hawkins, a career officer in the United States Army who served as a brigadier general during the American Civil War. And Frederick Hawkins, an American modern dance choreographer and dancer. Early settlers include John Hawkins of Massachusetts in 1630, Mary and Richard Hawkins of Massachusetts in 1635, Anne Hawkins of Virginia in 1663, Thomas Hawkins in Pennsylvania in 1686, and Richard Hawkins in New York in 1693. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.